Oh, hi! Didn't see you there. Today we're going to focus on something a little bit different. I've been working on this for a few months now, and I'm really excited to announce a new project. So, some of you may know that I play music in my spare time, and well, I finally found a way to combine my love of music and my love of the Macintosh. So, please allow me to introduce my new album, Amazing Soothing Macintosh Recordings. This album is just packed with hip beats and retro sounds, so I think you're going to love it, and I'd like to show you a sample now. Ah, I love that track. It's one of my absolute favorites. You can order your copy today on either Caddy CD or Deluxe Laserdisc by going to Mac84.net. I hope you enjoyed this symphony of Macintosh recordings, and thank you for watching this video. I wish you a very happy April Fool's Day.